Hello students, here myself Mrs. Swati Mahendra Dakhre, Department of Chemistry, Government Vidarbha Institute of Science and Humanities, Amravati, explaining the estimation of halogen. So name of experiment is estimation of halogen. Apparatus and material required for this experiment are test tube holder, Bunsen burner, Carey's tube, given organic compound, fuming nitric acid, silver nitrate solution, etc. So the students, in this experiment, the theory will help you to understand more this practical. The theory, the Carey's halogen method in analytical chemistry is a method for the quantitative determination of halogens in chemical substances. A known mass of organic compound is heated with fuming nitric acid in the presence of silver nitrate content in a hard glass tube known as Carey's tube in a furnace. Carey's method, a known mass of the organic compound is heated with fuming HNO3 and AgNO3. Carbon, hydrogen and sulfur get oxidized to CO2, H2O and SO2, and halogen combines with silver nitrate to form precipitate of silver halide. The precipitate of silver halide is filtered, washed, dried and weighed from the mass of silver halide and the mass of organic compound taken. Percentage of halogen are calculated. In the procedure, we take a known mass of substance along with fuming HNO3 and AgNO3 is taken in a clean Carey's tube. The open end of Carey's tube is sealed and placed in an iron tube for 5 hours in the range at 530 to 540 degree Kelvin. Then the tube is allowed to cool and a small hole is made in the tube to allow gases produced to escape. The tube is broken and the precipitate is filtered, washed, dried and weighed. From the mass of silver halide obtained, percentage of halogen in the organic compound is calculated. This experiment is very simple and very short procedure. The calculation in this way, weight of the organic compound taken as W gram, weight of silver halide, that means here we take silver chloride precipitate, is equal to A gram. 143.5 gram of silver chloride contain 35.5 gram of chlorine. Then A gram of AgCl contain 35.5 divided by 143.5 into A. W gram organic compound gives A gram AgCl, then the percentage of chlorine in a W gram of organic compound is equal to in this way. Let weight of silver bromide be B gram. Then same as the silver chloride, here silver bromide is taken and the percentage of bromine is calculated. And here silver iodide is taken as C, and in the W gram of organic compound, percentage of iodine can be calculated. So result should be written like this. The percentage of halogen in given organic compound is whatever should be calculated. Okay. So here the estimation of halogen is over.